Once upon a time in a small town in India, there lived a group of cheerful children named Aryan, Diya, and Kabir. They were excitedly preparing for Republic Day, a special occasion celebrated throughout the country.
Aryan, Diya, and Kabir were members of their school's cultural club, and they were tasked with organizing a skit to perform on Republic Day. They brainstormed ideas and decided to showcase the journey of India's independence struggle and the significance of becoming a republic.
They started practicing diligently, with Aryan portraying Mahatma Gandhi, Diya as Rani Lakshmibai, and Kabir as Bhagat Singh. With colorful costumes and enthusiastic dialogues, they brought the characters to life.
The entire school buzzed with excitement. Students decorated the corridors with tricolor flags, rangolis, and patriotic slogans. A spirit of unity and pride filled the air.
Finally, the big day arrived. The school ground was adorned with the national flag, and students gathered with anticipation for the celebrations to begin. Aryan, Diya, and Kabir nervously waited backstage for their turn to perform.
When their skit began, they poured their hearts into their roles, depicting the sacrifices made by freedom fighters and the joyous moment when India adopted its constitution. The audience was captivated, and thunderous applause filled the air as they concluded their performance.
After the cultural program, the school principal addressed the students, emphasizing the importance of unity, diversity, and democratic values enshrined in the Indian Constitution. A sense of pride swelled within every heart as they sang the national anthem together. As the day came to a close, Aryan, Diya, and Kabir reflected on the significance of Republic Day. They realized that it was not just a holiday, but a reminder of the responsibilities and freedoms they enjoyed as citizens of a democratic nation. And so, with hearts full of patriotism and hope, they bid farewell to Republic Day, carrying its spirit with them throughout the year, ready to contribute towards building a brighter tomorrow for their beloved country.